Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best stereolithography 3D printer for beginners. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5, brand name, Longer. Model number, Orange 30. This LCD 3D printer is designed for home by upgrading the traditional SLA technology. It not only has the higher precision, larger size and more parallel UV lights, but also adds a function of automatically recovering printing after high temperature cooling. It makes this LCD 3D printer to be a good choice in summer and high temperature environments. 2.8 inches touch screen offer one button to generate model support automatically. Automatically detect suspended parts with one button and add cross-link grid support to guarantee the success rate of complex models printing. Intelligent one-click add supporting structure in the slicer software automatically detects the floating part and adds cross-link grid support to ensure the success rate of complex model printing. The printing process pauses automatically at high LED temperatures and will resume printing automatically upon sufficient cooling. Self-developed slice software, easy to operate, one-click generates supports and the slicing speed is 3 times faster than other printers and compatible with Chitubox. Longer Orange 30 has upgraded the cooling system, shortened the cooling time, increased machines using life. Easy to use the full-color touchscreen, easy to select file printing and preview the printing status real-time. Support offline printing. Automatically identify the printed files in the U-disk for offline printing. Easy to level platform by 4 screws, allows you to start printing job quickly. The uniform light makes better details of full surface than spotlights when you print a model that is large enough to touch the edge of the printing platform. And more lights give faster curing speed and quality. Number 4, brand name, Nova 3D. Model number, Whale 2. Whale 2 uses a matrix light source engine with 40 lamp beads to provide uniform purple light for the entire 8.9-inch screen. You can print more accurately than before. Free leveling design makes you forgetting your leveling job. Dual linear guide and steel ball bearing slide block makes Z-axis more stable while in printing process which with accurately performance. The resin container feet and handle design are convenient for users to operate, and prevent the release film from being contaminated and rubbed. With 35 decibels of printing noise, you can hardly hear any sound at a distance of more than 1 meter. Enjoy resin 3D printing with Nova 3D Whale. Number 3, brand name, Creality. Model number, LD002H. The Creality LD002H resin printer is supported by Chitubox software for slicing. Chitubox is easy to use, with one key functions to add a model, adjust supports, model size etc. 3.5-inch full-color touchscreen, a simple UI design interface can monitor real-time printing information, is easy to operate and is user-friendly. The SLA 3D printer is built-in air filtering system. There is a small box at the rear of the print chamber containing a pouch of activated carbon, which can absorb the fume of the exposed resin and offer you a refreshing printing experience. Simply lower the printing platform atop an ordinary piece of paper, then hand tighten the leveling nut to complete the leaving process. Super easy to use and self-explanatory. One button and a dial or button combo. Push the button to select the function. Turn the dial to select the time with 2 minutes 30 minutes adjustable. Push the dial to start. Each layer of the 3D printer model can be better cleaned and cured according to your DIY needs. Number 2, brand name, Kingroon. Model number, KP6 Kilgruen resin 3D printers uses high-precision ball wire with high-efficiency energy-saving screw motor, high hardness, high rigidity, high wear resistance PON material combined with high-efficiency energy-saving screw motor greatly reduces printing layer lines and abnormal noise. The whole printing process ventilated throughout the cooling fan. Kilgruen resin 3D printers gives you a refreshing and safer user experience. This resin printer is compatible with the Chilibox slicer. Download the Chilibox 1.9 beta version. Files can be directly saved and used on KP6 Mono. Number 1. Brand name, Anycubic. Model number, Photon Mono 4K. The Photon Mono 4K is, essentially, the same printer but with more than double the number of pixels. Its 6.23-inch Mono LCD offers the same printable area of 132 x 80 mm. This new pixel density means a finer XY axis resolution of 35 microns. The original Mono offers an XY axis resolution of 50 microns. Anycubic Photon Mono 4K added a dedicated and replaceable anti-scratch film above the screen to protect it, making it much more durable than others. When the protective cover is opened, the machine will automatically pause to protect your creations. Slicing software is free of charge on basic functions, but expensive on advanced features. Thanks to its self-developed slicing software, Anycubic Photon Workshop, you can enjoy 3D printing freely on Anycubic Photon Mono 4K without worrying about monthly fees. 15 LED lights are placed into a matrix to make up a powerful and parallel light source.